Hello friends, in this video I will show how to take a screenshot in Microsoft Excel. So click on this Insert tab and here is the option Screenshot. Click on it, then click on Screen Clipping. Take a quick snapshot of part of the screen and add it to your document. So just click on it. Now you can draw and you can take the parts of your screen which you need in any form or in any size and leave it. And here you can adjust size like this. Just click on insert and screenshot, then screen and clipping and take the part and leave it. And if you need a screenshot of your Excel worksheet, so press Shift Windows key plus S. Now here you can take the screenshot of your Excel worksheet. And you can access this screenshot in File Explorer, Pictures, and click on this screenshot folder. So you will get this one. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you, and please share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Just press Shift Windows key plus S and take the screenshot as you need.